Oh, what if I got the pop? I doubt it. Okay. Yeah, you just saw that. It was weird. Anyway, moving on. So, 6:14. It is 6:14 a.m. I've been doing this for I don't even know how long. Kind of lost track after I think an hour. I think I'm sleep deprived. Yeah. I got bag on my eyes. Oh yeah, I got bags. Oh yay. Oh, great. All right. Anyway, so good old another update. We did a oh gosh, what do I call this? Oh gosh, process of thinking of the video title right now. Oh boy. We did routers. Okay, that's what it was. But I did more. Of course I did. So, not only did we have to do routers, but I also decided to go the extra mile. Oh boy. Sometimes I think I'm crazy. I know I'm crazy. That's great. Okay. So, while that thing's building, no, wow, that was quick. Okay, thank goodness. Okay. Um, a little explanation. So we did routers, instead of using the ng-if directives or the ng-switch directives, and use context, the selected elements or whatever, that kind of stuff. There's a way to do it with routers and router links and router outlets. It's a pain in the butt. It's easy to do, hard to explain. Let me just put it that way. But when you already do the super complicated stuff, now you have to find all those little pieces of code. Now you gotta delete all those. And you gotta make sure you don't delete the wrong things too. Because then it's a pain to find it all, for lack of a better term, by the way. Anyway, so we had fun, lots and lots. Ooh, okay, I'm gonna take care of that. This right here is something else that I did. In fact, I'm gonna do. Okay, that's fine. Let's see. What else did I do? I want to keep that in there because I might use it later. Oh, Lord have mercy on my soul. Do. Oh, what all did I update? So much that got updated. It's crazy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Ugh. If you can probably guess, I added dark mode. Yeah, I added some dark mode stuff. Yep. I seriously hate this. I think that's all that changed was right here. Just that, yeah. What else? Oh, of course. I add some styles, global styles. It applied to all the components. I don't want to just go into one specific thing. I could make my own contact, or my contact, but I could make it a separate component. But, yeah, more of a pain. Yeah. So, yeah, long story short, this was atrociously brutal. It changed there. Oh boy. Theme toggle? No, it is not. Gotta do that too. Oh boy. I can't tell you how many times I've been all like, okay, was it toggle theme or theme toggle? Was it hyphenated? Oh, oh yeah. I can never remember. All right. So yeah, it all works. And it looks a lot better than what it was before, I'll tell you what. So without further ado, let's just show that off. It is this one. Oh, that's not what it's supposed to look like. What the heck? Okay then. I want to see, make sure. Gosh, it's so annoying. Local storage, open me, amount. Okay, good. All right. So, in fact, actually, I'm gonna do this because I don't like it. I'm gonna just reset the whole thing. I'm gonna do the whole run the dev. It's almost there. Hurry up. There we go. All right. Start with that URL and work it. Okay. As you can see, got in this little dark spot. And I'm going to actually move my camera up a bit there. Slowly rising up. There we go. All right. Reason why I wanted dark mode, by the way, it's not as harsh on my face. I don't like that. It hurts, especially when you're sleep deprived. So yeah, we're at the home route, and it automatically navigates us to documents. Nice. The add document thing doesn't work because we don't have that functionality yet, right? Yes, we don't have that yet. Okay, we're good. All right. So if I can click a document, I still get my document now. Hurrah! And if I want to view it, I get a page, and it takes forever, you know, because too many buttons to click just to log in. Don't know why they did that. We can see the document edit component still works, still has that selected. The way you can get back to it is click it. Actually, I wonder, what if I press the back button? Oh, hey, that's cool. Well, I'm gonna delete it, so I don't care. I go to messages, and I start doing. I'm gonna start doing something. I'm like, oh, actually, you know what? I'm gonna burp instead. You take a look back. Oh yeah, it's good. It's still good. Okay, we're good. So back to messages. Oh, my subject's gone. Oh, boo-hoo. Okay, well, how do I spell? That's how I spell test. I'm tired. Okay. Just introducton, whatever. That still works. And I made this scroll because it looked ugly. It was ugly. I feel like I should probably make that brighter, but hey, it looks a lot better. And let's say I did introduction and say, my name is Aaron. That's how you spell rectal. There we go. I can barely spell my last name. Send. See, it scrolls the messages into view, but for some reason, I know I had it as. Actually, I want to see some real quick. I should be going with the scroll height. Where is that? Let's toggle theme. I don't remember where. Oh boy. Oh great. Oh, actually, I think it's in the styles. I think about it. Would it have been? Do I not have that anymore? Oh no. Okay, I used to have it and it worked perfectly and I loved it. Now I don't have it anymore. For some reason, I'm a goober. But yeah, you said like the scroll top, you said the scroll height equal to, or the scroll top equal to the scroll height of the scrollable container. So yeah, you know, I think I'm actually gonna do that real quick. I'm gonna make that file. So let's do some, let's have some fun. All right. It is a scroll. It's called scrolltop.js. Okay, let's see. We're gonna have first. We got it to put in some comments. You know, figured out this. Okay, so this is since the whole project is JavaScript oriented, I'm gonna have it as JavaScript. So if it doesn't work, well, it's never gonna work. Because they have it turned off. Okay, so let's say add a how about not ads? Let's do scrolls to the bottom of all containers. Let's just do that. Okay. Function scroll to bottom, create a duck container. It's gonna be a duck container, but see this right here. Basically what I need. Just like that. But it's not gonna be duck container, so let's go to query selector all dot, let's do dot scrollable, because I had them as scrollable. And that should be what I need. Okay, and then we need to add that to actually, I don't think it was in there. I might have to delete this. We're about to find out. Give me a sec. I'm gonna find it. See which one has it, not documents, so I know that the document is no go. Contacts, close list. Somewhere in here I put in the whole scrollable thing. At least I thought I did. I could have sworn I did. Huh. That's interesting. Oh, wouldn't have been in it would only been in messages. Where's messages? Oh, too many folders. Too many folders. So annoying. There we go. There's messages. Message list, component TS. Okay. In here somewhere. Yeah, right here. Here it is. Scroll to last. This dot scroll to the last. This is ng on init. So yeah, it's literally right here. This is what I had to use. So I'm trying to figure out. Is there a way? Is there such a thing as scroll bottom? No, it's just scroll top. Okay. So that's meh. It's kind of annoying, not gonna lie. So yeah, we gotta delete it. All right. Where is the delete button? There you are. Got him a goober. Oh boy. See, I sworn I used it here somewhere. Guess it's only in message item. It's very peculiar. But yeah, anyway, so something else I noticed. In fact, I wanna adjust this too when I get to that point. That's very annoying. And oh, that's ugly. I do not like that. I want to make this a no resize because it does not look beautiful. In fact, I might actually make this smaller just for that reason. Also, this is not dynamically done. Press clear, doesn't do anything. Press send, it still does things, and you know, I can still do this. Haven't implemented that yet, but it looks a lot better. So yeah, documents, you know, just delete you. Yep, messages, and I got all these messages still. Documents still there. All right, well, contacts. I'm tired. All right. As you can see, I got Mr. Goku-san. Back to. Does that work? No, I don't want to do that. Let's open the image. I want to see what it looks like. Yeah, Goku. Anyway, so I can select a contact. As you can see, it looks a bit nicer now, right? Yeah. I also changed the links here by using the dot replace all method, or looking for any hyphens, and then adding a country code in there of +1 because it's United States. You know, yeah. I also made this scrolls sticky headings, so kind of similar to the messages component here. You got a scrollable thing. Yeah, you do the same thing here, and none of these are now active. That's something I noticed is when you go back, they're no longer active. I find that interesting. So if I go to documents and I do it, yeah, same thing. Okay, we're good. So yeah, I can do that. Edit, it still does its thing. Delete. I can delete me. I'm deleted. Hey, refresh to get me back. So it doesn't actually delete the database, so that's fine. But yeah, I got sticky headings now. Yay. In fact, excuse me. Oof. I'm getting a burpee today. So yeah. And I got it to where I can actually go through all the teams too now. So, yep, that was a headache. As I said in the last video, it was gonna be a pain, and it was. Something else I noticed is when you select these contacts, it actually selects all the contacts with that same ID. See? Showed up twice. Ooh, who shows up like 3 times, I wonder? Let's see, Brandley Armstrong. Let's see, 1, 2. Nope. Okay. Lee Barney. 1, 2. Darn. Dang it, Lee. Corey Godfrey. 1, 2. Kent Jackson. There we go. There's a third person. Yeah. That's the most I'm ever going to get is 3. Probably not that one, but yeah. So, these links do work. They got mail 2s down there. Maybe you're looking in there. Mail 2 and why can I not? Oh, that's stupid. I can do it with this one, right? How did I do it? Oh my goodness. Okay, there's that one. There we go. Yeah. Man. So yeah. Yeah. And this doesn't refresh our page. So we're good. That doesn't refresh the page either. Doesn't refresh, doesn't really refresh. So yeah. See? How next? Yeah. See? Delete. Send. Okay. Should see nothing. Yep. Still good there. So yeah. And for once, when you refresh the page with that URL, it actually navigates you. So I could go to /2/edit. I can do it. So this actually makes the routers useful. So one good benefit I found. All right, now to show the blinding light. You eyes burning yet? Good. Tried to make it slightly dim. It hurts my eyes right now. Oh boy. So yeah, as you can see, it doesn't affect the images. That's some wonderful CSS styling of using the filter, going from invert 100% and hue saturate, I think, is the method, of 180 degrees for dark mode. Then for light mode, It's hue. Okay, so that dark mode happens to go on both the body and all the images, because images you want them to revert back. The body you want to go the opposite direction, but then the images you want to stay. So it kind of goes like that and then like that. It's weird. Yeah, I don't know. It has to go a full circle for the images. And then when you go to light mode, the background switches 0. It changes the background color, and then the hue switches to 0, or something like that. It's yeah, it was a pain. And then or something close to 100 or 0, like the opposite ends of the spectrum kind of thing. Then the images, it's just 0. Like, don't mess with the images. So, yeah. Oh my goodness, this was. I want to say at least 8 hours on this project just to make it look like this. Like this, even making these graphics here, I made these myself. Like, oh man, oh where do I still have Inkscape? No, I don't have it open. But yeah, I used Inkscape. Lovely project, just making some stuff, so yeah, that's the first graphic, and then let's no, I don't like that. I'm about to fall asleep here. Night moon. There we go. Night moon. Just like that. It's simple graphics for this, and you can hover over and it says, "Hey, what do you want to do?" Click. And that's for screen reader functionality. We did a bunch of research looking up how people make their toggles and all that, and I was like, oh, that's cool. I like that. So, blind light, not blinding light. And see how much better that is on my face? Oh, this is my favorite part, not gonna lie. I love this part. Ow, my eyes. Okay, all right, I gotta stop before I blind everybody. So I'm gonna put a little epileptic warning. Oh Lord, I'm crazy. I'm sleep deprived. Yeah. You know what? Y'all are cool. Thanks for watching. All right.